Welcome to my kitchen, Chef Ramy kitchen. Today I have a recipe braised pork belly Asian style. Take a pork, fat meat is clean nicely. Put the water, cold water, put the pork, then bring to the boil about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take it out, put it in cold water, clean the pork, make it dry, and cut it into small piece. So this is the method. The meat, when you're going to cook longer, don't separate the meat. That's why I put this bend. So you need cinnamon stick, star anise, bay leaf, lemongrass, ginger, garlic, and chili, all cut into small size. 1 handful of spring onions for the safety. Add it one by one, bottom of the pan. After that, skin put the down, Chinese cooking oil, soya sauce, is a dark soya sauce is quite better, and some water. Bring to the boil with star anise, bay leaf, and cinnamon stick. 19 minutes to go. I mix some caramel to add a little bit sweetness. So after 19 minutes, and we going another 19 minutes for other side. So well cooked about 3 and 10 minutes. Your pork belly is perfect, really soft, juice, braised, so good. Thank you for watching. Hope see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.